Welcome to part 1 of learning to meditate in 5 simple steps. In this video, we're going to come into a comfortable, seated, meditative position. Usually when we meditate, we sit because this enables a nice, free flow of energy up and down the spine. Also helps us to stay alert, as if we lie down, we don't have the same clarity or awareness. So you can either sit on a chair with both feet in contact with the ground, or you can sit on the ground, a pillow, cushion, or a blanket, or directly onto the floor. If you're on the ground, find a comfortable position for your legs. You can be cross-legged, kneeling, or you can have the legs straight out in front of you. Wherever you're sitting, place your hands onto your thighs and soften your shoulders. Gently close your eyes or soften your gaze, glancing at a point approximately 1 meter or so in front of you on the ground. Now turn your attention to the points of contact between your body and the ground, or your body and the chair. Have a little rock to and fro. Take that from side to side and begin to root down through your sitting bones. So these are the 2 pointy bones, one in each buttock. Now allow the whole of the lower body, from the navel, the tummy button downwards, to anchor itself down into the earth. Feel the whole of the lower body become heavy, stable, and comfortable. Then leaving your lower body here, begin to extend your back up towards the sky. Take your awareness to your tailbone and begin to stretch up through your back. Bring your attention to the gap between your hip bones and your lower rib cage and allow this space to open upwards. When you arrive at the shoulder area, allow the shoulder blades to soften and melt down your back. Now turn your attention to the space between your collarbones and your ears. Just allow this space to open up towards the sky. Allow the neck to extend so that it feels straight but not stiff. Then as I place a piece of imaginary string onto the crown of your head and pull gently upwards, you feel the lovely sense of elongation all the way up the back of your body. Now remaining here, ensure that the neck and shoulders, arms and hands are soft and comfortable. Turn your attention to your abdomen. Become aware of any sensations which you're feeling here. And if the tummy muscles are tight, just allow them to soften each time you exhale. Do take a moment to adjust yourself in any way that you feel necessary. So if we're nice and comfortable when we sit, we reduce any distractions during our meditation practice.